boys and girls. Today you are going to be making a fun t-shirt out of our paper using our skills of origami. So you will have in front of you a piece of white computer paper, and I would like you to turn it landscape style. So it looks longer on top and bottom. Take your two corners and fold your paper in half so that it becomes long and skinny. Take your finger and press that fold all the way down. I want your fold to be crisp and ironed down. I even take my fingernails and run it across my paper. Once you have done that, please open your paper back up. I'll keep it my landscape style. While it is still long this way and long on the bottom, take those corners, and this time you're going to meet them up in the center of your fold and crease down. So you're folding it halfway to that center line. I'd like to then flip my paper around and do the same thing on the other side. So now I have flaps on top and bottom. Let me make sure that everybody has their paper looking just like this, nice and long with two flaps into the center. Okay, boys and girls, now that you have your two flaps, we are going to fold our paper, turn it over so that you don't see any flaps. You cannot open it. Next, you are going to take the top of your paper, and I want you to fold down just a little tab. Okay, so take a look at where my tab is on my paper, just a little bit. Crease it down. Okay, next, I'm going to take this fold and I'm going to fold it, leave it like this. This time though, you're going to fold this backwards like this. Backwards. So you're flipping that fold underneath your paper, giving it that line. So you're flipping it underneath. And then you can open it back up. The reason we did this is because on this side of the paper, we want to see a line on our paper. I'm actually going to outline it with some pencil for you to see better. So my folded line here. So I'm on the side where my flaps are open with the folded part of my paper behind. Now I'm going to take the corner of my paper and I'm going to press it down until it covers up the line right at that corner of my line. This is going to create a triangle. We are making our collar to our shirt right now. And again on the other side of the paper. Pressing it down until it meets that line. So now we have created the collar to our shirt. The next thing we're going to do is make the sleeves to our t-shirt. Working on the other side of our paper at the bottom here, I'm going to take and open up these flaps and press them down. Open them up until they can't go any further down here at the bottom. Flap them open. So let's see that again on this side. Open it up until it can't go any further and press it over to create those sleeves to our shirt. The next and last step that we have is we are going to take the bottom of our shirt and we are going to move it all the way up and underneath the collar of our t-shirt. So it goes right up into the bottom of the collar. I lift up these flaps of my collar like your school uniform t-shirt, and the bottom of my shirt comes up and underneath those flaps. Now take your fingers to the bottom of your shirt and press down to make that crease at the bottom of your t-shirt. Let me show you one more time what that looked like. So my shirt was like this, but I folded it up, tucked it underneath the collar, and pressed down the bottom to make sure it stays just like that. Now, I have a blank t-shirt. Once you have finished your t-shirt, you are welcome to access the crayons, markers, or colored pencils at the back of the classroom on the white counter. Please make sure to only choose the basket that goes with the table color that you sit at. So if you sit at the purple table, only take the purple basket. You are welcome to decorate your shirt however you'd like. Add stripes or polka dots. You could make it look like your school uniform. You can make it look like your dad's t-shirt. However you want it to look. Okay, boys and girls,